वो कहते हैं ना, it all starts with a dream.
Following a shadow down to the graveyard. Gonna say a prayer, gonna pay my dues. I've been running wild ever since I left Virginia, trying to find a face that might remind me of you. I can see the sunlight rising in the mountains, orange and red in the morning sky. I know that the world is every stage.
Finally, I'm doing HAMPTA PASS TREK. I've been dreaming about this trek since like past 3 years, and I can't tell you this feeling that feels so good. Like I've seen these mountains so many times in videos, and now this time I am actually here. And it may feel like that I'm exaggerating this, but no. I mean, this experience and this trek it's an emotion for me. It's something more than just a trek, because this was the first trek which I loved. Like, not Valley of Flowers, nothing. This is actually called Valley of Flowers of Himachal Pradesh in monsoon season. But whatsoever, I just feel this is going to be one hell of an experience. These 4 days are going to be amazing. Me and Karthik are doing this independently. We haven't taken any packages, so it's just Karthik and me. इस साइड से है ना हमता का रास्ता. Thank you. What are you suggesting?
Oh, that we should go to that plane maybe.
And
15 seconds का रास्ता होगा.
कैसे?
1, 2 and 3.
Jump.
Nah, bro.
So I know you can hear the river because it's pretty damn loud here. But the good news is Chika is visible now. It's right there. You can't see it because tents बहुत छोटे हैं, and even I was only able to sight them because वो red color का tent था and green में red बहुत easily दिखता है. But damn it man, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है that first camp. Although it's very easy, it's damn easy bro. But it's good. And just to show you the view, it's just amazing. Bro, it's amazing.
भैया इधर कैंप किधर लगाया? कैंप
No. So we have just reached Chika and we are really confused कि camp कहाँ लगा है. Actually, all this has been so commercialized ना कि हर किसी का यहाँ पे अपना हर कंपनी का एक बेस कैम्प काइंड ऑफ है. So we are confused हमें कहाँ लगाना चाहिए. Let's see, most probably हम ऊपर लगाएंगे. Let's see, कहीं पे तो देखना पड़ेगा. We need a plain land. यार कहीं भी कैम्प नहीं कर सकते ना. We need to consider a lot of things.
Day by day, we are destroying the peace and solitude of these mountains, nature, and ourselves.
Hello, Liza. How do you do? I'm writing you a letter. I hope it reaches you. I know it's been a long time since you heard from me. I'm still kicking around here in Tennessee. I heard you got a new place. I heard you got a new job. I heard you got.
Basically, हमने चीका पे कैम्प नहीं करा. चीका वहाँ पे है. हमें परफेक्ट स्पॉट मिला नहीं. सो वी केम हियर. हम आगे जा रहे हैं जोबारा की तरफ. एंड बहुत भूख लगी थी. सो वी हैव दिस पीनट बटर एंड ब्रेड. यही चल रहा था हमारा. लाइक अभी स्नैक्स वगैरह वी हैवंट हैड आवर लंच अभी तक. तो लंच भी कुक करना है भाई जाके जल्दी से. आवर टारगेट इज़ कि 4:30 तक हमारा कैंप सेटअप हो जाए. लेट्स सी क्या होता है. हम उस साइड जाना है एंड आई डोंट नो कितना टाइम लगेगा. They were saying 1.5 hours, but let's see. Jawara was quite far क्या. Incline बहुत ज़्यादा था. It was really tough. लेकिन finally camp दिख गया. Yeah, about to reach Jawara.
But some things stay, no matter where you go. Do you still love me, Liza, babe? Please tell me yes or no.
So now the thing is, we have to cross this. And यहाँ पे जो क्रॉस करवाते हैं वो है नहीं अभी, because it's already so late. 1 hour में, half an hour में actually sunset start हो जाएगा. तो हमें यहाँ से जाना है and we don't know कैसे. कार्तिक ऊपर गया चेक करने के लिए, एक ऊपर से रास्ता है. We have rope, not us but जो भैया हैं उनके पास है. So we are seeing what are the options जैसे हम कर सकते हैं, because we want to go on that side. वहाँ पे कैंपिंग करना is way easier. Let's see क्या होता है.
Thinking